Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So as the IRDAI Grade A Phase 2 is approaching, many of you must be anxious and afraid regarding your preparation and what to do in the last few days. So in this video, we are going to discuss some important cheat codes, the do's and don'ts that you must remember from your examination perspective. While sitting in the exam, while preparing for the exam, you should remember these do's and don'ts that we are going to discuss today. So let's get started without any delay. So first of all, the do's. So many of you are doing the descriptive answer writing practice. But while you are doing the descriptive answer writing practice, you have to remember the time. Okay, so train your mind to answer in a time-bound manner, because you will have to write the different word limits, the 80 words, the 250 words. So for the different word limits, you should be allocating the different time. And while doing the answer writing practice, you will have to remember that you have to allocate the necessary time in the correct manner. For the 80 words, less time has to be given. For the 250 words, more time has to be given. So whenever you are doing the practice, do not just keep on writing the answers. Write the answers in the time-bound manner and give the correct time for 80 words and for the 250 words. Not too much time, not too less time. Okay. So descriptive answer writing practice should be done in a time-bound manner. Collect the fodder material. For the insurance penetration, insurance density, you are aware about the terminologies, you are aware about the definition. But if you add some data point for the insurance penetration, for the insurance density, that will enhance your answer writing. So for the different topics, try to find the data points from the IRDAI annual report, or from the Swiss Re Sigma reports, or from the authentic websites. Try to find the fodder material, try to find the data points, try to find some value addition points, because that will enhance your answer and will fetch you some extra marks. Okay, so fodder material or some extra data points, value addition points, examples are very important. Okay, next is complete the syllabus. Skipping is not an option. See, even if you find the terminology or the topic to be very difficult and you want to just skip that topic because it is very difficult, so at least have the overview, because sometimes from the difficult topics, some easy question comes. So you can answer those easy questions with the overview that you have, with the basic understanding that you have. So rather than skipping a topic, just have the overview, just have the basic understanding of the topic, so that if from the difficult question if from the difficult topic, if a easy question comes, you are able to answer that easy question and you are not leaving that easy question. Okay, so even if you find a topic to be very difficult, at least have the overview, at least have the basic understanding. So complete the syllabus, have the basic understanding even of the difficult of the topics. Okay, you should not be skipping a topic completely. That should not be an option. Okay, now focus on revision. Sometimes we are so focused on reading and reading and reading that we forget about revision. You have to allocate a few days, some hours in your preparation to the revision, because when you revise, you will be able to recall the topics, the data points in the examination. So revision should not be left, because in the examination, when you are writing, you will have to recall the points, and recalling the points become easier with the revision. The more the revision you do, the more you will be able to write faster, because you will be able to recall the points faster. Okay, so revision should not be left. Revision time has to be allocated appropriately. So these are some points that you should be doing in your preparation in the last few days. Descriptive answer writing practice you all must be doing, but do it in a time-bound manner. For each question, allocate the time as per the word limit. Collect the fodder material. Just find some data points for the different topics. Okay, find some valuation point for the different topics that you can write in the topics. Okay, complete the syllabus. Even if a topic is very difficult, at least just have the overview or the basic understanding. Focus on revision. Revision should not be left at any cost. Now don'ts. Some things that you should not be doing. Don't overread. Right now at this point of time, if you are reading the same topic from multiple sources, you are getting into that loop. You are not able to get out of that loop. Okay, so don't overread the same topic from different sources. If it is providing you the same information, it is not at all adding anything in your preparation. So don't overread. Finish a topic, start revising. Don't over elaborate. Sometimes, let's say I am very well read on Bima Sugam. I have a lot of information, and if Bima Sugam question comes in 80 words, but I am so well read, I want to write everything about Bima Sugam. So I will be writing 250 words, 300 words. So that should not be done. Over elaboration, over extension should not be done. Even if you are very well read, try to practice the answer writing in such a manner that all your points you are able to summarize in the given word limit. Because if you are over elaborating, if you are over extending your answer, you are reducing the time for the other questions. So over elaboration will extend your word limit, and over extension will decrease your time for the other questions. Okay, so don't over elaborate a question. Stick to the word limit. At least try to be around this word limit, because the more the words you write, the lesser the time you will have for the other questions. Okay, so the competitive examination is going to provide you limited time, and in that limited time you will have to write multiple answers. So don't over elaborate, don't over exert, or don't over extend your answers, because you will have less time for the other questions, and that is not a good thing, right? Don't skip mock test. So mock tests are very, very important, and sometimes we forget the importance of mock test. Now you are going to sit in the examination, you are going to write the descriptive English examination, you are going to write for the ESI impacting insurance, you are going to write the answer for insurance and management. So your brain will be working over time. Your brain, you will have to sit in front of your pen and paper, you will have to write for so many minutes, you will have to write so many of the answers, and your brain has to work continuously without any much break. So you can understand that your brain or you yourself is not very much like in the habit of sitting and writing. So how you will get that habit of sitting and writing for the long hours and continuously for the different topics? So that is by doing the mock test. The more the mock test you write, the more the efforts you are putting, the more you are training your brain to become accustomed with the exam like scenario, and not just suddenly put your brain in a difficult situation. So do the mock test, so that your brain is getting trained to sit for long hours, to write for long hours, to think for long hours, and to provide you the information for long hours. Okay, and you will have to continuously do the writing. So with the mock test, you will get the exam like understanding, you will get the exam like scenario. So your brain will become habitual of writing and thinking and sitting. Okay, next is don't panic. So at this point of time, many of you will get panicked, but that is just going to waste your time. That is just going to make you think about some negative thoughts that will actually take away your time from revision, from collecting the fodder material, from doing the syllabus. Okay, so don't panic right now. I know it is very hard to not panic, right? Because just so near to the examination, we have the habit of overthinking. So just try to focus on the positive things. Make a schedule that, okay, on this day I have to do this thing, and once you are complete with that day, just give a thumbs up that, okay, you have done very well. Just have that self-confidence, just have confidence on yourself, on your efforts and the hard work that you are putting. So don't panic right now. It is not the time to panic. It is the time to push yourself a little more. Make the schedule and try to stick with it. Whenever you are doing good in the schedule, just give a thumbs up. And if you are not able to do good, like you are not able to complete that schedule for the day, just say that, okay, tomorrow I am going to put more efforts rather than panicking, right? So this is it. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel of EduTap so that you continue getting the relevant videos. And do join our Telegram channel for the PDFs of the different sessions. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you for joining. I hope there was some value addition that you have got from this video. Thank you, everyone.